Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be taking a look and we're going to go ahead and try out the brand new DJI virtual flight app. So we're going to be taking a look at it. We're going to be flying the DJI FPV drone, and I'm going to be giving you my first impressions and what I think of this app. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one, something very different that we haven't done in the past, so stick around. It's going to be a pretty good video. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also, we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers. I will truly appreciate if you're new to the channel to hit that subscribe button so that we can get to our goal of 5,000 subscribers, which we're really very close from. So with that being said, my friends, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. Well, by now I think that all of you guys know that the DJI FPV drone is out. It was released by DJI on March 2nd, and if any of you are interested in buying it, the link is going to be down below in the description box, okay? But it's been out. It has a price of $1,300, okay? But there was a lot of people that didn't know if they were going to like it or not, and they were scared of crashing the drone. Well, it looks like DJI came out with a great solution, and that is that they went ahead and gave us a brand new simulator just for the DJI FPV drone, okay? The name of the app is the DJI Virtual Flight, okay? And it was just released on March 2nd, so it's brand new, okay? And the only drone which we can use, unfortunately, is just the DJI FPV drone, okay? As of right now, it's only available for iOS. It's not yet available for the Play Store, but DJI said that it should be coming out soon, and that they are working on it. So as soon as we have that confirmed, we're going to be telling you guys all about that you need to know. So right now it's just available for iOS. So let's go ahead, my friends, and take a first look at the DJI Virtual Flight app. So we have three options available. First, we can control the drone with just our smartphone, or with the motion controller that the DJI currently sells, also for $199, or you can control the drone with the goggles and the controller of the DJI FPV drone. So if you already have the DJI FPV drone, I think it will be a pretty good idea to, before you go out and fly, just to try it out. Make sure you're feeling comfortable and safe before you actually go and head out with your $1,300 drone, before anything bad can happen. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the DJI FPV Flight app. Okay guys, so there we have it. There's all of the settings that you need to know. So the only thing that we did today was that we went ahead and took a look at everything that it has to offer, and we went ahead and did a free flight. Okay, so we went ahead and tried out the stadium. There are 3 different settings which we can choose from. Okay, the first one is kind of like an abandoned house. Then we have underground parking lot, and then we have the stadium. I think that the stadium is super fun, and I think it's the best one, or I think that for the beginners, I think that's the best one to try out, as you have a lot of space to experiment with the DJI FPV drone and not crash it. Okay, so I really liked it. I think it's a pretty good app. Okay, now will it be the same as flying the DJI FPV drone? Of course not. Yeah, of course it will not be the exact same, but I think it does give you an idea of what to expect, okay, when you actually go ahead and step outside and fly your DJI FPV drone. So I think this is a great idea. For those of you that don't have the drone, I think it's a great idea to actually try it out and see if you like it. If you're in the fence between buying it or not, I think it was a great idea. Or also, if you already have the DJI FPV drone, I think it's also a great idea to practice more aggressive style maneuvers. I think that's also a pretty good idea. And also, if you just don't like FPV but you want to give it a try and just want to see what it looks like, well, I think that's also a great idea. And this was my first time flying an FPV drone. I have never flown an FPV drone, and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to trying it more. And if you want to see another location, if you want me guys to see me try the parking lot or the other location that we have, let me know down below, or anything else that you want me to do, let me know, and we'll be doing it here in the channel. That's all I have for all of you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.